Hey, World Radio, Needlebender757 here with another 757 Boulder built amplifier video. Here we have an old Texas Star Sweet 16, but is no longer, and we'll show you why. There we go. That sure doesn't look like a Texas Star. That looks like a competition style build. 8-pill 1446 in there. We did that, well, it came to us as an 8-pill 1446 box, but it had that in there, and that just don't cut it. So we tore it all out, threw it away, made that into it. So there you have it. Let's see how it's working here. We got our striker here, and we're doing audio, 40 watts, audio, a little bit of reflect there, audio, we got a 1/16 of a watt of reflect, showing 20 RMS on the input there on the meter on the right, audio, just about, which equals audio, about 40 PEP. Okay, well, with that going into it, let's turn the box on and see what we're doing. Hello. Audio. A little over 800. Now let's turn the box off and we'll feed it a little bit more here. Audio. Audio. About 80 watts into it. We'll turn the box back on. Audio. We get 1100. Audio. We could put it a little bit more in there. We could up it to about 100. Audio. And you get a little over 1200. But I don't want to hit it more than that. It's got, I put a sideband delay in it. And here's without the delay. Let's see here. And then I'm going to put the delay on. There you go. Also the light, I wired it so it'll double when it's off as a transmit button. But there you have it. Good working little box. Audio, 1200 watts. Great for AM use. That's what those 1446